Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Samsung A7 2018 Disassembly. Okay, heat the back glass at 250 degrees for every 30 seconds and use plastic tools to push back glass. Always and ever, don't go in hurry, otherwise you will break something or broke something. So push slowly and heat if it's necessary and keep the work easy. Don't go so far with the plastic tools, there is flex cables in the middle of the device, so just push with 1 centimeter, otherwise you will cut the flex cables. Don't hurry, we got all day, so take your time. Remove all screws from board. Now push the plastic frame from the screen. They can be separated one to one. Before that, don't forget to remove SIM card slot, otherwise you will damage it. You can push it easy with your nail or something plastic. As you can see, it's easy to pull up. Remove the battery and then start removing piece by piece. This video was to show you all the components of this device. If you are going to replace any piece of this, you need to see all the pieces separately. And in this video I'm going to show you all pieces of this device, so this will help you to repair any problem in future. This was for today. Continue watching the video to know all the pieces you should know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for me if you like my videos, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.